I mean, I noticed this even in Medina. I was in Medina in the 70s, living in the Harra, Gharbiya, with Bedouins. And the Bedouin came, and we were talking as friends. And so he said, "Where are you from?" He thought I was an Egyptian or Moroccan or something. So he said, "Where are you from?" And I said, "I'm from America, and I'm in America." And he said, "La, no, you're not from America." He had been started watching television too, right? So he was a little brainwashed as well. I said, "No, I'm from America." And he said, "No." Then he said, "Okay, you're from South America." Because he couldn't accept the fact, if you have a little color, you look different, you're not a white man, Superman, Wonder Woman, the hero of all the programs. How can you be from America? You see, and the Bedouin didn't realize how brainwashed he is, and how the fact that the Europeans only came to the Americas only a few hundred years ago. So it's a complete reversal of reality. It's a complete changing up of history.